Meaning of hierarchical.
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 Hierarchical. Hierarchical refers to a structure that is arranged in a series of levels or ranks, each level having a different degree of importance or authority. This term is often used in business organizations, social structures, and computer systems. A hierarchical system is characterized by its top-down approach, where power and decision-making authority are concentrated at the upper levels. This type of system can provide clear roles and responsibilities, efficient communication, and centralized control. However, it can also lead to bureaucracy, inflexibility, and difficulty in adapting to changing circumstances.